This presentation is Will's progress. First of all, I miss you so much. I'm so bummed that we are unable to finish out the year together. I wanted to let you know that you did a fantastic job during our time together. I had so much fun working and creating the Passion Project with you. You have taught me so much throughout our lessons that I will carry with me when I have my own classroom one day. I hope you learned a lot as well throughout our lessons and carry that knowledge into 5th grade with you. I hope online learning is going smoothly and you are finishing 4th grade strong. As the school year will start to wrap up, I would like to wrap up our time together. First, I'm going to go back and reflect on what we are doing for our passion project. Now, our prompt was the effects of video games on children and teenagers. We researched video games and the effects they may have on players. We researched related vocabulary of video games. We created main idea charts and graphic organizers with supporting key details. We organized our research into positive and negative effects of video games, and we did this using the Venn diagram to compare the positive and negative effects. I attached our main idea map and the Venn diagram pictures as well onto this slide. This slide is to discuss your improvement throughout our time together. We worked on a ton of literacy skills together. I saw the most improvement in your meaning maker abilities. A meaning maker means that you are actively making sense of your texts. You excelled at integrating information from 2 different texts to make sense of the topic they shared. Can you remember any times that we did this? I jotted down just a few that I could think of. You were able to divide the topic of effects of video games into 2 specific points, negative and positive effects. You were able to pull out key details to support the topics of different articles that we read. You were able to compare the astronaut articles by making sense of how they differed. You were able to condense all the research to identify the most important information to include in the project. Now we're going to look at you, Will, as a reader, writer, and speaker. As a reader, you are fantastic. When we first met, you were reading The Misadventures of Max Crumbly. When asked to read it to me, your ability to read was so mature, and it was very impressive. You took your time when reading. You paid such attention to punctuation and expression, which is something I still struggle with in college. Keep this up. As a writer, you improved a lot in just a short amount of time together. When we first met, you did not like to write. You would ask me to write a lot for you. Although your spelling test performance was great, I feel at the end of our tutor session you were eager to get writing about video games. You were able to easily turn our informational bullet points into paragraphs for our project. You did a great job at that as well. As a speaker, I felt you were very confident. You have no trouble speaking your mind and giving ideas. You are eager to dive into deeper explanations with the topics that you know about, and this gives you a strong voice and definitely will be beneficial to you in life and especially going through school. Lastly, I just put my email on here if you ever want to get in contact or if you have any questions. I can give you more tips about how to finish your passion project. I can help you come up with recommendations about positive video game playing like we talked about. And then on the right, I remember at the end of each lesson, if we did a very good job and had some time left over, we were able to draw some of your favorite characters. I attached where we got and where we left off. If you ever want to send me some more, I can add them in there. I've also been showing my brothers the website you showed me, and they absolutely still love it, and I still hear it playing all the time. I've had a great time in our tutor sessions with you. Thanks for teaching me so much.